What's up everybody, it is the Neurotech here with a brand new video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can get Blender and download it and then actually get one of the intro templates and download it. And yeah, so with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so for one thing, if you guys don't know, Blender is often used for animations. It's also used for things like intros, and that's what it's known for, especially for people like Vintex Designs to create their own intros, and Rise FX, and the original one, which used to be, I think his name starts with a V, but I forgot what his name is. And then there's Fresh HD, or iFresh HD, my fault. And people like them have a lot of followers so that they can get their own free templates and download them and things like that. So right now we're going to get it and we're going to try it out for ourselves and we're going to see how it goes. So yeah, so right now we're going to download it by pressing this button. And I think the nice thing about it is the fact that it actually comes free. That's pretty cool. I don't know any people, any official businesses that have used this animation, but if you want to know more about that, you can check out other videos. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna scroll down, and what's gonna say down here is it's gonna say Blender 2.77a for Windows, 64-bit, and then there's 32-bit. Now I'm running a 32-bit system, and if you want to know what the difference is between 64-bit and 32-bit is, be sure to smash that like button down below, and I'll let you guys know about that, because obviously I don't know nothing about that. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to run the zip file. And we're going to click choose. And then we're going to choose a mirror, and it's going to be the USA. And right now it's downloading. So I'm going to go to google.com and just kind of wait it out for a second. And then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, and now we are back. That took about 3 minutes to download. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the file, and you need WinRAR to do this, and if you have a 64-bit system and 32-bit system, it really matters. So yeah, you have to really understand. So I will leave a link for WinRAR in the description. And yeah, so we're going to move on. So I'm going to exit out of there, and then I'm going to right click, or no, I'm going to go to extract to, and I'm going to extract to the desktop, and then it will be processed through the extracting file. Alright, so now it is finished, and I'm going to exit out of here, and as you can see, the file is right over here. So now I'm going to double click it. As you can see, there's a lot of things over here, but here's the Blender player, and as you can see, there are a lot of files, and then there's the README file that's from Google. But essentially what we're going to want to do is just click on Blender. And now it's going to pop up, and essentially this is not a bad type of software. I've never, when I tried to make an intro with this within my old laptop, but it didn't hold out like I thought it would. However, this is a different computer, so I'm gonna see how it goes. To get templates, like I said, you can go to iFresh HD and they'll have links. And yeah, I'll leave a link to his channel and a couple other channels that I know that do the exact same thing and have really good quality intros. And yeah, so now I'm going to, it says it has the link to the donations, and under it is. And right now you can see a cube over here, and then there's supposed to be text, and then the text will change the name, things like that. But essentially, once you're finished, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that it's set to Blender render, and you can also, like I said, change the text. And when you have the render animation, your render presets, make sure it's 1080p, and make sure this is 24 FPS. And this we'll have to change it to AVI raw. And then what you're going to want to do is then change this. I think that's it. And you can change where you want it to be. So I'm gonna save it to my documents. Where was it at? Whatever. We'll just save it to document settings. And now we're gonna go back to previous. And yeah, so I think that's about it. And then after that, what you're going to want to do is click render. And then it's gonna render everything in here. Now this is just a template for the cube. But yeah, so essentially that's what it's going to do. And now I think that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you like this video, be sure to leave a big thumbs up down below. Let's smash 5 likes on this video. And with that being said, my name is Dinero. I'll see you guys in the next one.